like 3 years.
3 years.
Hmm.
What got you what got you in it now?
Um, I was doing long term, like just regular long term investing, and then now I just, like with the whole GameStop situation, now I kind of got lucky, so I made a couple dollars, and I'm like, you know what? And I got hooked. I've been doing
Hmm.
it.
Oh, for sure, for sure. I wasn't able to get into that GameStop, but
Oh yeah, I
I
was in.
I know a lot of people that didn't even know what they were doing and
I
came
was one.
up.
I was one of them. I was
Um,
one of them, bro.
so your stocks or Forex or
No,
everything
just
or
just stocks. I don't really do forex, but I mean, everybody been talking about that. Maybe I could just, what I mean? I could switch it up a little bit.
yeah, so everything I'm gonna break down to you, or what I'm about to break down to you, you can use the same thing for stocks. You could use the same thing for anything else, just like Tesla,
Right.
you know what I mean? You can use it for literally anything.
Anything.
Have
Okay.
you I sent you the course, correct?
Yeah, you did. You did. I've been yeah, I'm still got a few more to go. I think I'm like 14, 13 or 14.
No, you're good. I just wanted to make sure because I need to make sure I sent it to you. That was
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
You've been watching like some, does my YouTube stuff help? Like, I don't remember how you found me on Instagram or YouTube.
Yeah, I was Instagram. I was on the gram and I'm like, okay, I'll keep popping up. So I'm like, you know what? Let me see what's up with bro. Because a lot of time, what I mean, everybody with like 100,000, 200,000 followers, they don't know what they're talking about. They're just,
Hmm.
what I'm saying? So I'm like, bro, sound he know what he talking about. Let me see what's up.
All right, I got you, man. I'll just break this down real quick and then for sales and then I'll break it down for buys because there's
Okay.
only two. And then just give me all your questions that you have. And no matter what, I have this recording, so I'm gonna send it to your email after for
Right.
you don't have to take notes. Um, but yeah, man, let me just break this down real quick and then give me all your questions after.
Okay.
All right, so basically, for the overall for Euro USD, for overall, this is what I'm always posting on my page. So overall, we see that we are in buys, and if we can make it a lot simpler, that you can see that you're buying and then buying, and we're going up and up, buying, going up and up, buying. All right, cool. We understand the buys, but for some reason, price when it comes in this area, it keeps dropping low. It keeps dropping down. So let's see what this price is. That's making it drop down. Everything all my lines are always going to be whole numbers.
Mm-hmm.
So it keeps dropping down. So it touched right here that you see, and it dropped down. Came over here, tried to break above, but didn't go nowhere. And this one candlestick that's a daily brought it back down. So now we're back down under here, under this price, this whole number of 1.19100. And like I said, every time we're under this price, we're just shooting down. So I was like, okay, cool. Let's go down to the 4 hour. We understand that the overall is a buy, but we're in a range right now. This is our range. We're not going up. And the range can keep on going. Hold on. The range can keep on going. We're not going up, we're not going down. This is what we want to see. Movement going up or going down. But now it's just in a range. So let me take this off. Now that we understand that, we can see that we're in sales because it keeps tapping this price and goes straight into sales. So that's exactly, I'm gonna go down to my 4 hour and this price stays the same. So since we already know once we come off into this price area, we're gonna start going down. So I'm gonna look for resistance areas. This is resistance right here. This is resistance right here. This is resistance right here. What makes these areas resistance areas is because price keeps going up to it and shooting down. So it's not passing it whatsoever. So this one came one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 7 times on a 4 hour candlesticks. Each candlestick is 4 hours. 7 times it came up and shot back down. So that lets me know, okay, if we're going to be selling, this is going to be a resistance area. Then I'm going to be, I would want to have my trader in this area because I don't want big drawdown. So let me take this away. And we already understand because you're gonna say, well, Anthony, where exactly do I put my price at and put my trade in if we're selling? Like I said, I put a whole number for everything, all for my enter and my exits. So if you miss this one, let's say you missed this trade, well, you're just gonna come. You're already in sales, so wait for it goes to a resistance. Where's your resistance? Is gonna be where price keeps going up and shoots down, up and shoots down, up and shoots down, but it doesn't pass through. All right, cool. So you're gonna say, where exactly do I put in and on numbers do I put my sell? Where you're gonna put it at a whole number, 900 in this area where you see your resistance, and you're gonna put your short position. This was your short position. This was your short position. And then just for a third time, and then we'll switch over to the buys for your third short position. I'm gonna do straight 500 again, 500 whole number. You already know you're selling. So all you're doing is looking for a resistance area. Why is this a resistance area? Because right here you saw that you had support and it broke, break and retest. So this isn't just break and retest, it's just letting you know like that's a break and retest. So now we're into sales and drop down, came back up to your whole number of 500. You got everything, understand the sales part?
Right.
Okay, let me look for buys. Let's just use buys over here. So buys, it'll be the exact same thing. And matter of fact, for the sales, let me put the cheat sheet. So daily.
Was daily sales? I mean,
Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad.
even overall was
Yeah, my bad.
overall trend was okay.
I'm going ahead of myself. Going ahead of myself. 30-minute sales.
So these only three time frames that you use to analyze the trend from the daily, the 4 hours, and the 30.
Well, yeah, because I'm not taking trades. I'm not holding trades on a weekly or so there's no reason for me to be on a week. I'm not holding trades on months, so there's no
So
reason for me to be on
these a
months.
day trade or the swing trade? Cause I don't do forex. I'm not sure how you know.
No, this is the here, I'll go to Tesla so it doesn't confuse you. I got you. So let me clean this up. So since we're on a different chart, I don't want it to confuse you.
Right.
All right, so we are on the daily with Tesla. All right, so we see Tesla. Here's a trend line. We see Tesla is going down. And this is daily, so if we are on February 19th, and it's been selling since December 23rd. And I'm looking at the little bottom box down there since December 23rd. And it's obviously you can see that we have the clear sales. So I'm just gonna go down to my 4 hour.
It's a sell. Even like the overall trend is is bullish.
Yeah, look, I'll show you why. Because this right here is a big range. And since it's a big range, there's a price that's up here that is some resistance that's not letting it pass back down. Like it's not letting it go up. There's no higher high, there's no higher low. It's just going down. When it breaks here, it'll be a full confirm, like, hey, we're all sales, but we're not doing nothing right now but going sideways. And the only history that we have is when we come right here it drops off. So I can only go off sales because then I would be guessing that I'm gonna buy off right here, or I'm gonna buy off right here, or I'm gonna buy off right here. I would just be guessing. So I have to go with what the trend is. And what the trend is right now is I'm seeing the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You know what I mean?
Right, right,
So, yes, I understand the whole picture of the buys way back here, but those are already done. Like that's history. Money's been made already. Still understand that, hey, it's overall buys. But what's going on right here, what's going on today, what's going on yesterday, what's going on the day before that, we're in sales.
right.
So I have to go off that right now. So since we're on the sales right now, we're on the 4 hour. I'll just come down to my 30 and I'll look for my resistance areas, which is right here. And you can see why, because you see that price hit it right here one time, price came up, hit it two times. Another resistance, you see price came up right here one time, price came up another time. And this is a resistance, but this is more just more advanced. The only thing different was what it did is you can see right here to where it broke structure in this right here in this area. So that's what makes it its resistance. And then let me put the whole number. So it would be
So it's the same rules apply for stocks and it's you still gotta do the whole number, right?
yeah,
Okay.
because banks aren't trading one, two, three. Hey, we're gonna sell off at 1, 2, 3, 4. It would make more sense selling off at like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You know what I mean? Or
Right.
150, 200, 250, 300. So that's why I do exactly what they'll do. Exactly what a bank would do. And then here is clear this. And this is just me. I don't trade Tesla. So this is literally just me breaking it down right here in
Breaking
front
it
of you.
down. Right, right, right.
Yeah, I don't trade Tesla, but it'll work. Um,
Man, chart is a chart, right?
yeah, charge or charge. It doesn't matter what it is. So you can see this would have wicked you out for sure, but you're still in the you're in the right trade, but you'll get wicked out sometimes.
Well, okay, let's say you're gonna get on that trade right now. What's your I understand that you went from to the daily to the 4 hours, then the 30. What's your entry? Like, would you use your
30.
30?
30
Your
is the
30,
entry.
right? But how far would you go though, as far as expiration date? I'm not sure if Forex is the same thing. As far as
You talking about like going back like this, or are you just saying going back on
I'm
top
saying,
of
let's say if you're gonna get a call or
Mhm.
buys, whatever the
Buying and selling, yeah,
right.
or
Let's
with
say, I
stocks
mean,
and splits
obviously
and things.
options is different. You would get a call.
Hmm.
So how far would you go if your entry is on the 30? Would you go like a few weeks out or a few months out?
No,
Only thing.
right here. So call is buys, right?
Right.
And then the other one is put
Puts it, yeah,
or
it's
sells.
sales. Right.
Okay, so if we're right here, I can only go off if we're in a selling environment and we're looking at sales, then while I'm selling, I can only look left and see what's going on in the history and what's right here.
Right.
So I can only look at this and I'm gonna only look at this. But anything else, there's no reason for me to look at it because it already been wiped out with liquidity right here. So I'm only gonna look at right here and right here. And you're saying if we're selling, how far do you go down? Well, I'm
Now,
gonna.
now, what I was saying, like as far as the expiration date, I'm not sure because I don't do forex at all. I don't even know
Mhm.
how that go. But I'm saying like, how far would you go though, as far as expiration date? Because the contract they have expiration dates on stuff. They got like a weekly expiration date, monthly, and all that. You go 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. That's the first time I've heard about the expiration date thing. But
Right. All contracts has expiration date. They got like you could go a year out, 3 months out. You know what I'm saying? That's the
hmm
only thing. So if you go and take the entry on it on your 30,
hmm
as far as forex, there's no expiration date, right?
No, you just press sell. That's it.
Okay. So that's totally different. Maybe I need to get on that.
Yeah, you just press sell and then you should see it on my page all the time. You see it moving up and down, and
Right,
then whenever I want to pull out or close it, all I gotta do is just hold the price down and just
right.
close it out, and that's what I make
Okay.
or lose for the day.
Options is totally different. Okay, okay, I get it.
Yeah, that expiring thing, that sounds weird. Like
Right, that's
I think I know
fine.
what you're talking about. It's just, weird stuff that I wouldn't mess with.
Right. See, I need to get on that. So maybe you could help me out. I could set that up and start doing forex with you. I mean, with you.
For sure, for sure, for sure.
Hmm.
Um, this is sales right here. Did you have any? Did we already do buys or no?
Um, no, we ain't Dubai yet.
Okay, so you understand everything for sales?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I've been trading for a while. You know what I'm saying? I kind
Uh-huh.
of it's similar to what's going on. I mean, sells is puts, and obviously calls is buy. I get it. So technically, Tesla's on a downtrend from the daily to the 4 hour to the 30.
Correct.
Okay.
And then buys. I'll do buy. You want me to do buys on Tesla too?
Yeah.
But all I'm gonna be doing is like zooming back. Here, this is what I would be doing. Like I would literally just be going when, dang, okay, this is all sales right now. So I would just be going like back here and then just, or do you want me to look for a buying market?
No, no matter. They don't have to do Tesla. It could be anything. I'm just trying to, what I'm saying, understand how you figure out it's a buy, it's a sales, and all that stuff. So I could
Oh,
just,
perfect.
it
I got you
don't
right
matter.
here. I got you right here. So you see right here where this is a swing high. Price came up here.
It's a higher high. Yeah,
It's
swing
a
high.
higher high. Then it came down for its retracement. Now you have a higher low. This is when you're buying. You coming up, it came up just a little bit higher than over here, so you have a higher high. Came down, it didn't pass here, that's your higher low.
Higher
You
low. Yeah.
always want to be buying when you're in this phase, the higher low, because after a higher low, it has to make a higher high. So that's why I want to be in the buys right here, not buys right here.
Right.
Make sense? So
Got
that's how you know that's the simplest way, other than me showing you doing this, saying, hey, this is buys. Clear all this.
it.
This is buys.
It's the same rules applies on every, no matter the time frame that you want, right?
Don't
Higher
matter the
low,
time
higher
frame
high.
at all.
Right.
Now let me see. Let me show you how. Okay, so let me clear all this up. All right, so I'm gonna put this line right here, and you're gonna see how no matter what time frame. All right, so it's gonna be directly on both of them. We are on a 4 hour time frame. So if I was on a 30 minute, it's still there. Nothing changes. If I go to a daily, it still does not pass my line.
So pretty much you use your 4 hours to draw your support and resistance.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So this is a 4 hour. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, so the daily, you automatically see we're going lower and lower and lower. So we're selling. Okay, cool. So I'm looking for resistance. Where's my resistance? Well, I see that I have resistance where price touches right here, price touches right here, shoots down but does nothing, doesn't go past up. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go to my 30 minute. Since I'm at my 30 minute, these wicks will look like candlesticks if the lower time frame. So let's just say if you went on a 5 minute, which I wouldn't go on a 5 minute, I stick to 30, but I want to show you what it does. So what it does is now it just looks like candles instead of wicks. So these long candles were the wicks that you were
Right.
seeing on the 30 minute.
Right.
So that's why I just stick to the 30 minute to make it more cleaner.
Got it.
Uh, rain, just make sure we're on Tesla. Then I had to show you. I just showed you the let me look for. I'll just do it right here, just because it's right there, just to show you if we were buying. We put the 0. This one. 0, 0.
Number.
Yeah, whole number. We're buying over here.
So test the whole numbers increment of 5 or 10. They're 5.
10. I would do 10.
Okay.
So you see your buys will be the same way. The only difference is instead of looking for a resistance, you're looking for support. And you see your support from your candlesticks 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 for support. And you're buying. And this is what any Tesla, what other stocks is there? Like Coca-Cola, whatever stock you want. This is
Yeah,
for
yeah, 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 yeah. I get it.
everything. XRP,
Crypto, same
Bitcoin.
thing. Right.
Like, look, I just pulled up Bitcoin. I don't have nothing marked up on Bitcoin. If I'm looking at the chart and I can see this trend line doing this, if I can see this right here, okay, I'm just gonna go off of sales. I need to look for my resistance area that I can automatically pull up right here and see this resistance area. What would be my full whole number?
So if you break the resistance, technically you're gonna switch your bias from sell to buy.
Yeah, if we broke the resistance, but we're not breaking the resistance because we hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and we're already in sales, so I'm not looking at anything else. And this was just pulled up right here, right now. Crypto. What other questions you got for me, man?
Um, I don't really have a lot of questions though, because we pretty much do trade the same. I mean, two different type of you know. But so what platform you use to get the to start trading forex and all that? Being like I'm new to this whole thing. I don't
Yeah, you can use there's a lot of forex brokers. So you can use Hanko Trade, but I just want to let you know that the other brokers that there is. So there's Athens Market, but let me pull up. Oh, here it is. Oanda.
which one you use. Let me see.
Oh, let me send it. Let me send it to your phone. I got you. Let me
So
send it
you
to your phone.
bet.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. I got you. So you don't even have to do all this. I'm gonna just send it to your phone.
Okay,
It's
so
called Hero FX.
okay. Yeah, I definitely gotta probably give it a shot because all my money tied up in stocks and options and all that stuff. So I
Mm-hmm.
was trying to okay, I'll just give it a go.
Trying to think everything. I don't use no news or anything like that because everything is market structure.
Mark.
News can be manipulated, but you can't manipulate. No matter who you are in this world, if you're a trillionaire and you're selling to make money, you have to go to point A to point B. And anybody that you can manipulate, which is the news or radio or social media, that you can have enough money to influence and buy all those media outlets, but you can't manipulate price going from here to here. So that's why I don't use no news. Oh, your thing's muted.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, pretty much do the same thing though. I mean, honestly, I don't really have that many. I don't have no that many questions though. Honestly,
You're
I
good. If you come up with if you have any questions, you could just send me a text and we're gonna hop back on Zoom.
yeah, I'm just trying to understand how what I'm saying, how you determine your bias as far as what I mean. If you, like I said, options in that and what you do is totally different. So it's just like it's a lot more to it. It's like they got the Greeks and all that stuff. You got time decay. It's a lot expiration date and all that stuff. So it's kind of
We'll just take expiration date out and just put just straight buy sell. There's no
right.
expiration date, just straight. Look, if price is right here and you're looking at it and you see it at 68,300, oh, this is Bitcoin, Tesla. Or you're wanting to do stocks, Forex. Let's just say if price is right here at this 154.900,
Mhm.
and you're wanting to buy, all you're doing is pressing buy and you're making your money as it goes up. If it's selling, all you're doing is, hey, my price is at 153,748. All I'm doing is looking right over here. If this is your price and it sells down, you're making money if you're selling.
Right.
No expiration, no nothing. As soon as you press buy or as soon as you press sell, whenever you want to get out your trade, all you do is just close out your trade.
Just close out the trade. There's no time to pay.
There's
There's no
nothing
expiration
extra.
date. That's I kind of like that. I think I'm gonna have to give it a go.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Options.
I've heard about that expiration stuff, but I've never dabbled in that field. But I have
Yeah.
clients that do, and they make money with it. It's just not my, because charts are charts. That's all
Right,
that
right,
really
right.
matters.
I get it. Yeah, but this options is totally different, man. You got the expiration date. Let's say like um it's moving up to like up or down, whatever the case may be, and then the move that happened in time, you still lose all your money. Lose the time to get.
Oh man,
You get what I'm saying? So
yeah,
it's just different. But I was trying to understand how you analyze the chart and all that stuff. You know what I mean?
that's a
And
lot cleaner.
yeah, it is. I mean, I see you don't use any indicator and all that stuff. I'm not sure. I mean, I guess
No, I don't use no. The reason I don't use indicators is because any indicator that you can pull up over here, this right here alone should let you know that none of the indicators are real.
there's so many of them.
Yeah, this should let you know that any of this stuff is not here to help you. So that's why I only use the lines. But any indicator that is on here, it can only tell you history price. Well, what I need history price for if that money was already made? I'm trying to make
Sorry,
money. So I need
sorry,
the
me.
future. I need new. So I can't go, there's no indicator that can give me that at
Okay.
all.
So overall, like once you're on the day, you don't zoom all the way out to see the overall trend. You just pretty much just
I,
what?
I need to see, are we going up or are we going down? I see this is up.
It's up
This
right
is
now. That's
sideways.
on 30 though, but we don't know what the 4 hours in the daily doing. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. So all right, so if I'm on the 4 hour, it's still gonna be the same thing. So this right here, oh
That's
hold
con-
on.
yeah,
This is sideways.
that's sideways.
This is a drop. This is what I want. This is where I want to be in.
Right,
This is sideways.
right.
This is what I want to be in.
Okay. So technically
This is sideways.
sideways. You don't want to be part of that.
No.
So where would you jump in though? Like, cause not
This is your jump in. This
once
is
it
your move.
breaks,
Well, you like you're saying, where would you put your price at?
you get what I'm saying though? Cause we don't know when it's going to just drop or pop. Technically, a whole number. Okay.
So I'm on my 30 because remember I said I do my entries on my 30.
Right.
So right here.
So even like obviously looking at the 30, we still got higher lows and higher. I mean, not yeah, we still got lower low and lower high. So
Yeah,
when
because
you
we're
enjoy
selling.
your level on here though, right?
Yeah, and look, you can just take this away and you could just have it right here because look, you're just looking at your low, your lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Like you're just following the path. I
Right.
do this because I want to know. Oh, I need exact. I need
Right.
exact. I
Whole
need the
numbers.
hey. This is where I put my trade in at this number.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty clean though, man. I gotta try that because most of my charts, man, I have freaking
Indicators.
man. Listen, I got. Hang on, let me see if I could show you what I got going on. I can't change. I can't shift screen. But yeah, bro, I got this everywhere. I gotta clean that up a bit.
No, take it all off, man. Take it off.
Take it
This
off.
screen is completely clean. Like you see, we didn't need.
Right. Technically, we really don't though, man. But I mean, the only thing with stocks though, you get a lot of gap up and gap down, so that kind of makes
Yeah,
it a little different
I
from.
get I get the gap, but the don't believe don't let the gaps
So
fool
how
you.
you know what I'm saying though? Like, I mean, the gap as far as the gap, if you change the
So if you were selling right here, you're selling regardless. The gap just gave you more money.
Okay.
So if you're selling right here, you were selling regardless. The gap just gave you more money. I'm trying to look for a buy gap, but I keep seeing all these. So if you were buying right here or you were buying right here, the gap just gave you more money. So you don't have to worry about the gaps.
You don't gotta worry about the gap. Okay. So I just gotta know when the I guess once the broke structure, that's when you jump in or either buy or calls pretty much.
If you see sales like this, then you look for your resistance areas and get into your sell.
Okay.
And again, this is just day one, like, so you're just learning everything. So I'm sure you can just
Yeah,
go through
but
the
I
course.
definitely gotta get in that forex, which is so when the next what's your name? When you wanna set up the next one.
Just hit me up when you whenever you just finish the course. Um, just hit me up. You have my phone number. Just send me a text and we'll schedule it.
All right, say no more. But yeah, I just gotta master pretty much how you do it, man. I mean, I see you got no indicators on there. That's dope, man. That's straight price action, man. I need to get on that.
For sure, for sure, for sure. Just
But
let me
yeah,
know, man. I'm always gonna be here. Just let me know. Ask me whatever questions you have, and we're gonna hop right on Zoom.
nah, bro, I appreciate you, bro. No, for real. Thank you. That means a lot. But I'm definitely gonna hear from me though. I mean, I'm definitely gonna try to jump on that full at that wave with you because I don't really know much about it. You definitely gonna get a lot of questions from me because I don't even know how to set that up. Nothing. Is it like you just set up like a regular stock
Just a
broker?
setup. I think it's even easier. I think you just need your just a name and a password, a username and a password.
And then how you fund that account? How you just put money in it?
First, you're on a broker account. I'm not gonna tell you like to put money into an account until you get the proof of concept down. So do a demo account first, which is paper trading, and then once you're making money with the paper trading, then hop into a live account.
Okay. No, for sure. I could definitely I'm gonna set that up tonight and then I guess paper trade for like a couple of days. Cause I've been trading for a while, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
when you're comfortable.
Yeah. Okay. I'm definitely gonna try and do that then. All right. All right, brother. I mean you said you sent it to me, right? To for the
Yeah, you gotta let it compress so it can send to email, and then it'll send to your email.
okay. All right, give it a go.
All right, enjoy
All
your
right.
day, man.
All right, bro. Thanks. Appreciate it.